What if I told you for just $620,000 you could own a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 2-car garage, private courtyard, resort-style amenities, your near walking trails and hiking trails, colleges, shopping, freeways, and the metro? Let me get you inside to take a look at this one. Inside, the floor plan is warm, comfortable, and designed for everyday living. The spacious living room flows into the dining room, creating a space where family and friends naturally come together. The kitchen sits right where you want it, open to the dining room and easy access to your private courtyard, where you're hosting a barbecue, having dinner outside, or simply opening the doors to enjoy the breeze. This layout makes indoor and outdoor living feel seamless. Upstairs, you'll find all 3 bedrooms, giving you a nice separation between your entertaining space downstairs and your private retreat above. The layout works beautifully whether you're raising a family, working from home, or simply want more room. And here's something buyers really appreciate. Your association dues take care of many of the larger ownership expenses: water, cable, television, fire insurance, exterior paint, roofing, and much, much more. Plus, you'll enjoy the community pool, relaxing spa, clubhouse, and a beautifully maintained grounds, all without having to do the work yourself. The location is another major advantage. You're surrounded by mountain hiking trails, nearby golf, shopping, restaurants, parks, Azusa Pacific University, Citrus College, and you're within walking distance to the metro station, with quick access to both the 210 and 605 freeways. So there you have 321 West Hermitage Lane in Azusa. If you are looking for more details or want to take a look at this property personally, reach out to us. Or if you know somebody that's looking for a value property like this, we'd love it if you shared this video. See you next time.